Hello everyone, my name is Prachi Pratap Shinde. Today's date is 18 June 2024. Today's topic is full stack development. Full stack development refers the development of both front end, client side and the back end, server side part of web applications. This involves using Java programming language for server side development along with front end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and framework like Angular. It refers to the practice of developing both the front end server side and the back end client side and server side portion of web application, as well as understanding the necessary technologies and tools for the both front end development language and frameworks. HTML and CSS used for structuring and styling web page. JavaScript, primary language for front-end development, often used with frameworks libraries like React.js, Angular, building interactive user interface. It is the visible part of website or web application. Which is responsible for the user experience. The user directly interact with the front end portion of the web application or website. Second, tools and build process, package manager, npm, node package manager, or YARN for the managing dependencies, task running, Webpack for automating tasks like manipulations, testing. Third is responsive design and accessibility. Responsive web page ensure web application adapt various screen size and devices accessibility, ensuring web content is accessible to the user with disabilities. Backend technology, it refers to the server side development of web application or the website, with the primary focus on how the application or website with the primary website work. It is responsible for managing the database through the queries and APIs by client side commands. This type of website mainly consists of three parts: front end, back end, and database. The backend portion is built by using the some libraries, frameworks, and language which are discussed below. PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language designed for specifying for the web development. Since PHP code execute server-side, so it is called a server-side scripting language. C++, it is a general purpose programming language and widely used nowadays for competitive programming. It is also used as a backend language. Java is the one of the most popular and widely used programming language and platform are easily available. Another is Python. Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate system more efficiently. Backend development, server-side language and frameworks. Language: JavaScript, Node.js, Python, Django, and Flask, Ruby, Java, Spring Boot, PHP. etc. Frameworks provide pre-built modules and functionalities for the faster development. Database is the collection of interrelated data which helps in efficient interaction and deletion of data from the database, and organize the data in the form of tables, views, schemes, reports, etc. Oracle database is the collection of data which treated as a unit. The purpose of database is to store and retrieve the information related to the query. It is a database server and used to manage information MongoDB is the most popular NoSQL database. Is an open source document oriented database. The team NoSQL means no relational. It means database structure provides all through different mechanism to store and retrieve the data. That's all about the full stack development. Thank you.